How can we build our dream home without mistakes? How to build your dream home since A to Z. Many of you are dreaming of building that your future home. Where do you start to make that dream come true? Maybe you have already bought the land for it. But do you know that you should plan your dream home even before you buy the land? You may think that this is about the shape of the land. Or maybe it was about the soil nature of the land. Or the land is located in a rural environment. Or in an urban environment. Or flat land or sloping land. Or a place with basic amenities. It really needs to take care of those things too. Have you ever thought that it is extremely important that the land is properly located to set the correct orientation of your home? When you hear the word orientation, you will immediately think that this is going to be about astrology. When you learn how to actually build a dream home, it includes astrology. That too will definitely be discussed in the future. That called orientation is extremely scientific. To stay comfortable in your dream home, you compulsorily need to be careful of the orientation. Orientation is important when building a house because you want to live comfortably in that house. The main thing is to build the house in such a way as to minimize the entry of sunlight into the house. This orientation is important to maintain the interior of the dream home with natural cooling without artificial cooling using machines such as air conditioners and fans. Global warming has become one of the greatest dangers facing of the world today. Global warming can be identified as the average temperature rise in the Earth's atmosphere and near the ocean surface. Global warming is being caused by carbon dioxide being released into the air in various ways around the world, causing various climatic changes. There are sea level rise and unexpected floodings, etc. Climate change causes hurricanes, severe droughts, etc. In addition, new research has shown that the rise in human body temperature caused by global warming is causing a violent trend among humans. All types of housing construction around the world are contributing to global warming in various ways, and as a solution, new concepts need to be introduced in the construction industry. Hot and humid climate is a major problem in houses and other buildings being constructed in Sri Lanka. Some of the methods used in construction buildings have further aggravated this unfavorable situation and made it suitable for buildings in a temperature zone. Many building designers forget about real climate conditions when designing buildings to suit existing fashions. Instead of being natural and taxing, they are trying to build buildings away from it. Once out of nature, the buildings use mechanical equipment and systems such as ceiling fans, exhaust fans, air conditioners, etc. to achieve comfort in the living room. Such mechanisms are detrimental to developing countries such as Sri Lanka, as it consumes more electrical energy to operate. It's very important for the designer to understand and appreciate the conditions that are unique to each province in order to construct buildings in harmony with nature. The designer's in-depth vision of the climate, the environment, the availability of construction materials, and the technology used will be extremely useful. Climate data must be collected and analyzed over a period of 10 years to determine the climatic conditions for a selected location. The climate of an area rich in vegetation is quite different from the climate of recently cleared area. Yet it is important to have an understanding of the climatic conditions in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is located in the range of 500 meters above sea level. The hot, humid climate means that the country as a whole is somewhat warm and the atmosphere is more temperate. Accordingly, Sri Lanka is a tropical country and therefore has different climate conditions. Sri Lanka is an island in the southern tip of India. Countries near the equator are considered hot wet zones. The southwest monsoons usually last from November to February. The monsoon season is classified as hot and humid. The rest of the year is known as the hot, dry climate. Atmospheric temperatures exceed 35 degrees Celsius during the hottest period of the year. The situation has further increased with global warming. Generally, when the relative humidity is high, we who live in Sri Lanka with a hot climate feel more uncomfortable. In hot climates, our body sweats to maintain the constant body temperature. When the water vapor in the atmosphere is low, our body sweats evaporates and we feel comfortable. But if the relative humidity is high, the amount of water vapor in the air will be higher and less evaporation of sweat on our body will be less. Then we feel uncomfortable. We feel this difficulty more or less in terms of the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Air conditioning system artificially control the atmosphere around us, that is the relative humidity, and prevent the discomfort we feel. But such mechanisms provide temporary relief but have far-reaching consequences globally. Here we consider how the green building concept naturally controls the situation and this contributes to the minimizing global warming. The issue discussed will be theoretical, but having a simple knowledge of them will help motivate the designer to build a comfortable home. Upcoming videos will discuss all the requirements for building a dream home.